Hello, friends. Great having you guys here with me today. I wanted to share some of the challenges that a lot of my restaurant clients face when it comes to taxes and accounting. Now, within within their businesses, right? There's all kinds of areas to look at. Operations, management, wages. A lot of these issues can really significantly affect their profitability and the long term sustainability. Now, here are some of the main challenges and steps that you can take to alleviate those issues. Number one, complex tax regulations. The tax code can really be extremely complex, okay? Confusing, especially for small business owners, restaurants, hospitality businesses. It can really be a challenge for restaurant owners to keep up with changes in the tax law and really ensure that they are in compliance. Now, one of the steps that our clients took was to find a professional firm like ourselves that keeps them up to date on tax law and compliance. We do meet with our clients on a monthly basis, on a regular basis. And what I mean by that is it's active participation, right, between our clients and ourselves. We become partners with our clients in our firm, and that is one of the areas that we focus on. Why? Because at the end of the day, if we don't become partners with our clients, we want to make sure that they're building wealth within their business. Okay. Number two is basically the seasonal revenue fluctuation, right? Many restaurants experience seasonal fluctuations in income, which can really complicate the financial management and tax planning area of the business. Typically, this is when our restaurant clients take on catering aspects of their business, right? When it fluctuates, well, what can you do, right? You can do special catering events, or I always say one of the areas that clients can focus on is maybe you're in the new area and you want to be able to take maybe some of the food that you make and take it to the nearby businesses, right? And let them know, look, we're here in the area, we're close by, this is our food. And have them taste it, kind of like Costco, right? If you really think about it, I think Costco, makes a lot more money because they have those little kiosks and people selling and giving taste of what they're selling, and that's a big plus, right? With really with our help, we've been able to guide them through and focusing on these areas so that their revenue doesn't take a dive, right? A lot of the things that happen is because of that reason. A lot of times your business might be fluctuating, and so you want to be able to focus on different areas within your restaurant, okay? Now, number three would be your inventory management, okay? Restaurants must really, and I strongly advise this, must continuously track food costs and inventory. Poor management can lead to significant waste and financial loss. In this area, we focus on planning in advance, looking at prior quarter months or prior years to make sure that they don't overextend themselves in inventory. Okay, you might not need to purchase 20 cases of cups that week, right? So you want to hold on to your cash as best as you can. Okay, number four is payroll and tips, right? Reporting on payroll and tips is so vital. Restaurants have unique payroll needs, including managing hours, wages, salaries, and tips. Incorrect reporting of tips and wages can lead to huge, significant penalties and fines, right? Even sales taxes is such a huge burden on a restaurant as well, and even small business owners, right? You don't want to mess with payroll taxes. These are areas where you want to hire a professional firm that will guide you and help you, with the complexities of payroll taxes, sales taxes, and tips. Number 5 is your cash flow management. Okay. Restaurants often operate on thin profits, right? Really thin profit margins, and managing cash flow can be a significant challenge. It's really a crucial area for them to accurately project revenue and expenses to avoid the cash shortfall, making sure that you are holding on to your cash flow is really important, especially when you have fluctuations in your cash flow, right? Number 6 would be your cost control from food cost, labor cost. Restaurants really need, you know, to monitor various expenses closely. Really failing to keep a tight rein on the cost can quickly erode profitability. One of the areas that we help our clients with is being able to monitor their cost on a weekly or bi-weekly basis to make sure that they have control. And that's typically CFO services. We manage and we look at all the areas in finance to make sure that their expenses are within what they need and not overextend themselves on those. Number 7 would be your financial reporting, right? Many restaurant owners lack the time or the expertise to analyze their financial reports and really use them for strategic planning, okay? This can lead to missed opportunities or even financial missteps, as well as overpaying in taxes. In our eyes, in our firm, what we look at is you don't want to pay so much in taxes. Uncle Sam doesn't need any extra money, right? You need the money. You need the money to build wealth within your family, within your business, and those are the areas that we focus on. Number 8 would be bookkeeping errors. Really simple bookkeeping errors can lead to major problems down the line, including inaccurate financial reports, tax problems, and cash flow issues. One of the areas, or some of the areas that we help our clients with, is making sure that we have all of the documentation to complete the bookkeeping aspect of their business, right? A lot of times, if a client doesn't give us the daily reports, or let's say the invoices or the bills or anything like that, well, we can't complete the bookkeeping for that month. And a lot of times it's all about having clear communication with our clients, often communication with them. So, guys, I hope this video helped you with your restaurant, your food truck, or your small business. Really having a professional tax and accounting firm can help restaurant owners navigate these challenges, ensuring that you stay financially healthy and compliant with all all your relevant regulations. If you find yourself needing help or guidance, please make sure to click on the link below. We would love to help, and I hope to see you guys next week. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.